Good evening all. In today's lecture, we will see what is regular expression, how to represent the regular expression, and how to write the regular expression for given simple English language and vice versa. Okay. First see what is regular expression. Okay. Regular expression, it is a mathematical expression. It is a mathematical expression used to represent a given set of strings which can be a large or infinite set of strings. So to represent the regular expression set of strings, that is nothing but regular language, we have the regular expressions. It is a mathematical expression. Now let's see here few examples of regular expression. For example, A star. Now this represents set of all those strings consist of 0 or more occurrences of A, where A belongs to given alphabet. This is the one regular expression. Another regular expression we can consider here, AB plus BA. This is nothing but the AB or BA. If we have ABC, then we can read this as a string consists of 3 letters where A is followed by symbol B, followed by symbol B, followed by symbol C. So here for plus operator we have the word as a OR. This is nothing but the union operator. In between these three symbols A, B, C, at present there is no operator, but by default there is a dot operator. This is known as a concatenation operator. It means that A is followed by B followed by C. So this sequence it has to maintain. So this is nothing but the dot operator or the concatenation operator. Then third operator is A plus is equal to. See here, difference between this plus and this plus. Plus has a double meaning in regular representation of regular expression. If we use the plus symbol between two subregular expression, then it is known as a OR operator or the union operator. Whereas if we use this as in a place of power, at a power place, then this will be known as a positive closure. And meaning of positive closure is one or more occurrences. One or more occurrences. For this we have one suitable word, that is at least one occurrence. That is nothing but the positive closure. So here it is imposed on the symbol A. So we can complete the language like one or more occurrences of symbol A, or at least one occurrence of symbol A. So if we see here, there are total 4 operators used in a regular expression. So 4 operators are one is dot. Okay, first operator is dot. It is known as a dot operator or concatenation operator. Okay, then second operator is plus, or this symbol can also be used to represent the or operator instead of plus. Okay, so vertical bar line, this is nothing but the or operator. It is also known as a union operator. Third operator is star. That is nothing but the clean closure operator. Clean closure operator. It is always imposed on at a power place of any regular expression. Similarly, we have the plus. This plus and this plus is different. Okay, I have told if it is between the regular expression, then it is known as a or operator, and if it is at a power place, then it will be known as a positive closure. So these are the four operators used to represent or to write a regular expression for any set of strings for any regular language. Okay, so this is the regular expression, few examples of regular expression, and then four operators. Now let's see here some questions which can be there in the examination. Okay, so in examination there can be question for 2 marks, like define following regular expressions in simple English statement. Simple English statement. Now let's see first one. I will take here one, A, B, star. We know that two symbols are getting here, A and another is a B. There are two operators. One is between this A and another is between this B star. Okay, so that is nothing but the dot operator, and one operator is imposed only on B. अगर वो ए बी पे होता तो ब्रैकेट हैज़ टू बी गिवन here, but there is no bracket, so this clean closure operator is there only power to the symbol B. Okay, now see how to answer such a questions. So we will write this one. First you have to define the alphabet. Okay, here alphabet is equal to whatever symbols you can see here. Write all the distinct symbols in the set. Then alphabet is equal to A comma B. Then second statement, just write down in simple English statement the format of the strings. Okay, so here first we will elaborate this regular expression in terms of a set. L is equal to, okay, A is compulsory, and what is the meaning of this star? 0 or more occurrences of B. So start from 0. If I write here 0 occurrence of B, then nothing to write. Okay, that means simply A. Then A for 1 occurrence, then 2 occurrence, then 3 occurrences, then 4 occurrences, and so on. Okay, so this is the set which can be generated from this regular expression AB star. Okay, now after this, now you can write the English statements. Okay, by observing this all the strings. Now if we observe all the strings, few strings of this set, then we understand that it always starts with A. It always starts with A, followed by any number of B's. Okay, that is, it can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So there can be any number of B's. So write that one. Okay, language consists regular expression represent Okay, we will write here language consists of all those things composed of A's and B's which are always starts with A and followed by any number of B's. So this is the language we define in simple English statement for the given regular expression. First, write down the alphabet, then elaborate the set of the strings, and then note down the statements. Okay, let's see few more examples. Okay, now which operator is here? So here in this example, instead of plus, I have used here vertical sign. But this is which operator then? OR operator. So how to read this one? A or B whole star. A or B whole star. Here bracket is there, then whole star. It means that 0 or more occurrences of either A or B. Any combination of A or B, you can say in simple one. Okay. So write down the answer of this one. Here alphabet is equal to AB, then L is equal to 0 or more occurrences of A or B. Okay. If I take here 0 occurrence of this, then I will get here simply epsilon. Then if I write here single occurrence, okay, single occurrence of this one, okay, A or B, then 2 occurrence A or B, then 3 occurrences A or B, so this one. Now you can again expand this set by writing the result of this one. Okay, so L is equal to epsilon. A or B means either A or it can be B. Then 2 occurrences. Take any one symbol from this one and followed by this one. So if I take here A and A from this set, so I will get here AA. Now in next format, if I take here A and this symbol, I will get here AB, then BA, and then double B. So here 2 symbols are there. If 2 appearances are there, then we will get the 4 strings. Okay, 2 raised to power 2, that is nothing but the 4. So AA, AB, BA, and double B. Similarly, for this next type of this one, 3 appearances, we will get total 2 raised to power 3, that is nothing but the 8 strings. Okay, you know that combination very well. So I will write here in first the triple A, AAB, then ABA, then A double B, then BAA, then BAB, then B double BA, then triple B. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can write here the strings. Now we will note down the language here. Okay, language consists of all those things made up of or compose of A's and B's and having any number of or any combination of A's and B's. any, or you can write here 0 or more occurrences of A or B. 0 or more occurrences of A or B. So this way we can define the regular expression. Okay. Now another question can be there, reverse of this one. So if you have a regular expression, a simple English statement language, let's take further example. Write regular expression for the language consist of at least before this one I will take here, consist of any number of A's followed by any number of B's followed by any number of C's. Okay, so we can have here consist of over the alphabet is equal to A, B, C. Okay, what the language given consist of any number of A's. Any number of A's means A star followed by dot, then any number of B's, then followed by any number of C's. So this is the regular expression. Let's see one more. Okay, at least one A followed by any number of B's followed by at least one C followed by at least one C. Now for this one, at least one A means you have to use here positive closure instead of star. Star means any number of and plus means at least one. So A plus, then followed by dot by any number of B's means B star followed by at least one C, that is means C plus. So this is the regular expression. Okay, now next one, all those strings which always starts with A and ends in B. Starts with A and ends in B over alphabet AB. See, we know that over alphabet AB we have the strings A or B, any combination of A or B whole star, any combination of this one. But here we want to consider such a strings which always starts with A. So just put here A and ends with B. So we can say that always starts with A, always ends in a B over the alphabet this one, A or B. Okay, then starts with A, one more, starts with A followed by any number of okay, I will change the symbol here. Starts with 0 followed by any number of ones over the alphabet 0 1. Now here the similarly we can write them, starts with 0 means 0 followed by means dot, any number of ones means 1 star. Okay, so this way we can write down the regular expressions for the given language. Thank you all.